Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some pizza fries. And they're real easy to make. As you can see here, I'm putting some waffle fries that I deep fried and then salt and peppered into a baking dish. I also preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to add some pepperonis to this, and then we're going to add our pizza sauce. And the pizza sauce recipe is as follows. A 28-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I put all of that into a small crock pot. I place it on low and let it simmer after I've mixed it up, of course. And I let it simmer for a couple of minutes. So then we're just going to add some pizza sauce to this. And then we're going to top all this with some mozzarella cheese. And we're going to pop this into the oven for 10 or 15 minutes. And after 10 or 15 minutes, you should be looking at something like this. And that's pizza fries. And they are done.